How to change IP address on Xfinity router. First, check your current public IP. Search what is my IP in your browser and note the address. Step 2. If you have your own router, change its MAC address. Look in its settings for MAC address clone or MAC cloning. Changing the router's WAN MAC can cause Xfinity to assign a different public IP. Step 3. If you're using an Xfinity gateway, enable bridge mode. For an Xfinity rented gateway, Xfinity's official instructions say to open 10.0.0.1, open the admin tool, then go to Gateway, at a glance, bridge mode, enable. Step 4. Connect your own router. Connect your personal router to an Ethernet port on the Xfinity gateway after bridge mode is enabled. Xfinity says bridge mode disables the gateway's routing/Wi-Fi functions while leaving its modem function active. Step 5. Check your IP again. Once your own router is connected and online, check what is my IP again. If Xfinity assigned a different public IP, you'll see a new address. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.